Are you guys ready? We're going to start out with a band. I've seen their set list. This is what's known as CanCon, Canadian Content, which is a perfect way to start this off. From 116, Dan Salvatore. From 116, Joe Kotze. From 142, Simon Bielecki. From 113, Jason Arias. And just a plain civilian Tim on the drums. Let's hear it for One Truck Situation.
Thank you so much.
How's everybody doing? Welcome to the El Macambo. This is a pretty magical place. We are One Truck Situation, and we're playing some Canadian content for you tonight. See if you recognize this one.
You can sing along if you know it, just don't sing loud. Chris, can you turn this on? Sorry, just talk amongst yourselves for a second.
Chris, can you get a little bit more vocals on the drummer, please?
More vocals?
Check, check.
You're good. Oh, that was close.
Hey? Okay. Vocals and keyboards and drums, if it's possible, please, Mr. Chris. Now, why is this not working? Why is this not working?
vocals good?
Okay, everybody, how's everyone doing out there? So we were going to introduce ourselves, but it's already been done. But you can just clap for us if you'd like. What's that?
Well, it kind of sucks, but we only have one song left. 20 minutes goes by fast, but we're so happy that we were able to start this amazing night. Incredible bands coming up, so I know you're all going to have some fun. We all know you're going to have some fun, so thanks for having us, everyone.
Last one. What's that? Last one. You ready?
Almost a mayday there.
Full entrapment there. I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want your heart, love, and emotion endlessly. And I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your heart, love, and emotion endlessly. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. Yeah, you're a good girl and you know it. You act so different around me. Just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going home. I got my eyes on you. You're everything that I see. I want my high, love, and emotion endlessly. And I can't get over you. You left your mark on me. I want your high, love, and emotion endlessly. 'Cause you're a good girl and you know it. But you act so different around me. Yeah, you're a good girl and you know it. And you know exactly who you should be. But just hold on, we're going home. Just hold on, we're going home. It's hard to do these things alone. Just hold on, we're going home. You're the girl, you're the one. Give you everything I love. You're the girl, you're the one. I gave you everything I love. You're the girl, you're the one. I gave you everything I love, baby. You're the girl, you're the one. I gave you everything I love. We're going home. We're going home. We're going home. We're going Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the band.